We're at O&Y Precision, and I'm here with Robbie. Robbie, I want to learn a little bit more about the MX-520 PC4 that we're standing beside. So Robbie, what has this machine made possible for you so far?
This machine has actually been a game changer for us ever since we've introduced the machine to our machining floor. Our lead times have gone down. We've been more competitive with our pricing. One important example, we had this job where the customer was expecting 8-week turnarounds, and it was impossible for us to make these 8-week turnarounds unless if we went unmanned, lights out machining, and that was possible with the PC4. So we were making parts that were taking us about 16 hours, 16-hour run times. They're all the way down now to 8 hours. So we brought the time in about half the time to machine these parts. And now we can pick up jobs that we can be more competitive, not only with lead time, but with prices as well.
That's a whole lot of winning, and that's a great example. So you went, if I heard you right, you went from 8 weeks down to 3?
Correct.
That's crazy.
Yes, because we were running these parts on a regular 8-hour shift.
Yeah.
And in a regular 8-hour shift, you can only do so much. There's a lot of time when you go home after that these machines can be utilized. So this PC4 right here has been a big game changer for us. We're able to load the parts before we go home, and when we come back the next day, these parts are completely done for us.
Man, so that's a great way to do it. So what else has this opened up for you in your business now that you realize these potential?
Well, not only that, this machine can be run unmanned, it also is a very reliable machine. A lot of times people go and they just want to buy these machines that have multiple pallets, but how reliable is your machine? Or is it going to repeat its tolerances? Can you walk away from the machine knowing that it's going to make your parts? This machine has done that for us. Ever since we've introduced this machine once again to our shop floor, we can have our guys walk away, go work on another machine while this machine is running, and then come check on it priority. Maybe once in a while, come check on the machine, making sure it's still running and doing its thing.
Man, you just keep stacking up the wins. Not only are you able to run lights out, you're able to split their labor to run all your other machines to continue to advance the company and win more work and win more customers over.
Absolutely, and that's our main focus.
I mean, all of those wins stacking up, you're talking about reliability. How reliable has this been since you put it in place? How long has it been in place?
We've had this machine for about 8 months now.
Okay.
And in the last 8 months, ever since the machine landed on our floors and it got leveled, we started running parts, lights out on this machine. It's been so reliable. Not one time has any of the CNC guys or the machinists come to me and say, hey, we have a problem with this machine. The machine itself also has a really nice layover that Matsuura uses itself too. So if you're able to utilize that, you can do a lot with this machine.
So how is it from the job planning side then in setting up the pallet system and the machine? Is it fairly straightforward, or what's that like?
The best part about this is that the machine can actually be running at the same time. You can come open the door and put a new fixture on here, a new work holding station, and while the machine is running, making your parts, you have no downtime. So it's been a huge part of our cycle times.
So you're keeping that spindle turning and earning you guys more money.
Absolutely.
That's fantastic. Thank you, Robbie.
Thank you.